All right, Moonport modelers. That's at the 22nd of August. Here by myself. They just cut the grass this morning, and I just want to share with you this delightful model that I have here, the AT-6 by E-Flite. I haven't flown it for a while. Had a little issue with the retract. Disassembled it, the retract that is, fixed it, and the rest is history, of course. There she is. I'm gonna put my lanyard, excuse for the lanyard going over. Okay, all right, adjusting the phone. Pre-flight check complete. Here she goes. I think I kicked rudder too soon. All right, gear up. Look at that. Just delightful. Coming straight at us. Taking advantage because I'm alone here at the club, so it's totally different here. This thing is powered by a, believe it or not, E-Flite 480 black rotating can motor that you'll find in the 1.1 meter T28 Trojan. The reason I did that is because it's got a scale engine bust. Engine up front, and that's the biggest motor I could put in there, and it balances great. And it gives it a lot of power, and it's 11 o'clock in the morning, so you know there is some wind. And let me do some maneuvers here. I'll show you. It's got a lot of gutso, very mild aerobatics. There you go. I mean, it's a scale model. It's not supposed to beat any speed records of any kind, so I'm not looking for that, but she flies delightful. A true park flyer AT6 that doesn't tip stall on you when you slow her down, especially in turns. Very forgiving. Some Cuban 8s here. There you go. Up and about. All right, guys, this is all I wanted to show you. Gear down, coming in, and that's dead stick right there.